Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up an LLC with IncFile. Just to set the expectations, LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. So let's go and begin to do this. Just follow my steps. At the beginning, I'm going to use my browser here, which is Google Chrome. And then I need to head to Google, which is my favorite search engine. And you're going to search for IncFile. And I'll open this website here, this one, which is IncFile over here. But here it says IncFile is now BZ, so I'm going to open this website. It's the same one, but just they changed the domain from IncFile to BZ. And once I'm here, I'm going to click on incorporate now in this option. I'm going to click on it, and here I'm going to choose your entity. Is it LLC, S corporation, C corporation, or nonprofit? I'm going to use LLC, and here I'm going to choose state affirmation. It doesn't need to choose the state where you live in, but you can just choose the state where you like to put your business. So I'm going to choose, for example, Massachusetts over here, and then I'm go down here to choose one of the plans for my LLC. So here, for example, we got three packages. Each one has the features. So for example, here you can see preparing and filing articles of organization. For example, this one has free registered agent service for a year, EIN business tax number, Form 2553, and a lot of options that you can choose. And you can pick up one of these three options or plans. So for example, I would choose the $520 one, and also it's just one-time payment. It's not a subscription that you need to renew each month. So click here to get the silver package. Now being transferred to this page. Here you're gonna put your information, the first name, last name, your email address, and here you're gonna put your phone number. And also it's not necessary to choose the United States. You can choose any one of these to put your phone number. And then here you got the mailing address. You're gonna put the country, United States, your seat address, and also your address over here, the city, state, and zip code. And then whenever you fill this information, you're gonna click on next, and you're gonna choose your payment method. And whenever you fill the information, you're gonna click on next over here, and then you're gonna put the payment method or the credit card information in order to pay the fees for this service. And whenever you do this, you're gonna be completely registered as LLC. And so that was all today's video. I hope that the video was helpful and useful for you. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. And also just leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video was helpful. And thanks for watching.